Where? Ow. Never do a party. And during the week. Shit. Oh, hi. It's today. Shh. The headache. Oh, shit. Oh. Hi guys. Now, what do you think if I call my twin to keep doing this introduction? What do you think? Right? Hey, alright. Girly!
What?
Girly! Hello!
Hello, guys.
I'm a little bit drunk.
Yeah, I can see
I
that.
had a party yesterday, you know.
As always.
Can you do the introduction? I'll go take a nap.
Yeah, you should take a nap. And of course, I'll do the introduction. Guys, welcome to Unbox News, a new episode. If you haven't watched the last episode on Google Home Mini and Chromecast, just click the link not now. Finish this video, then watch the Google Home Mini and Chromecast. Now today, everyone has a phone, alright? The new phones, iPhone X, iPhone 8, even iPhone 7 has wireless. Huawei, Samsung, every phone's becoming wireless charging. So this is why I have chosen a power bank wireless charger. Everyone is putting like the power bank in his pocket, in his backpack with this long cable. It's I hate it, seriously. If I do hate it, you should hate it. I have a solution for you. I have the best solution for you: the power bank wireless charger. Now here it is. I have chosen the Hoco. Why Hoco? Because it has various prices, various power. This one is 10,000 mAh. The series is J14 if you want future on to buy it. Gracefully energy wireless charging power bank. Alright, now you can see the packaging is quite amazing. In the back you have a full information of the product you're buying. The small part here is just a small image. They don't need more. And everything is related to the information about the power bank. Now you see it's a power capacity 10,000. On the side the power switch and one micro USB, two USB interface, one type C. Alright, and the LED right here. And don't read the manual, I will tell you what you can read with the LED, right? I will use the well-known knife that my brother already almost killed me. Okay. Alright, now you see the power bank. Let's move it. Oh, one USB, no more USB. Alright, just no more USB. For charging the power bank, all the weird stuff you shouldn't need. Right here, and badam! And you see right here on this camera the micro USB type C and the two USB 2.1A USB charger here. You charge here the power bank and the power on and off. The LED light, when it's red, it means the battery of the power bank is between 0 to 32%. When it's blue, it's between 33 and 66%. When it's green, 66 to 99%. And when it's not blinking, when it's hard green, it's a full power power bank, 100%. Now there is one more, the yellow. When it's blinking yellow, it means that the power bank, there is some a metal object detected next to the power bank. It means get out, move it, just move away from the metal detected, and then it goes back to the normal LED blinking. All right, what do you think we tested? Let's test this powerful power bank. iPhone X, wireless charging, the best one.
But you know, brother, when you fall off a horse, it's better back on the what? Something like
The saddle?
exactly this
Yes.
one. Yes.
Give me the chair. Thank you.
you.
Now you can leave.
Want me to leave? No, I'll stay.
Get out! Get out. Huh. This is how you do it. So I was saying, iPhone X, wireless charging, iPhone 8, iPhone 7. So this area is the wireless. This is where you should put your phone, alright? Now what's the phone? iPhone X, the sensors are here. So you have to put it here like this or like this. By the way, the size is nice. You can put it in the pocket. It's almost like a phone. It's like a little more edgy, alright? Now, so we put the phone like here. Power button, you turn it on. And then it's working. You can see the notification right here. Guys, I want to give you a reason why you should buy the power bank, wireless power bank. Because when I used to put it in my back pocket, the cables was out. It was like ridiculous. Now, put this right here, all right? Charging. When I put it in my back pocket, boom, boom, it's charging and it's my pocket. Now I can do whatever I want, right? This is for me the main reason why I bought this wireless power bank. Thank you for watching the unboxing of the power bank wireless charger for any phone. Just put a wireless adapter on your phone and then you're good to go. If you haven't watched my last video, the Google Home Mini and the Chromecast unboxing, just click right here. But before you go, click the subscribe button. Thank you for all the subscribers, all the viewers, and I will see you next week, next Friday, for the new unboxing. I'll go check out my twin little weird guy. Alright? Peace. Bye-bye.
One little monkey jumping on the bed. The doctor called and said, no, what are you doing here? Wait, you didn't subscribe yet? What are you doing? Subscribe now and give you this champagne. But empty, because I drink it. It's mine.
What are you doing?
What I'm doing here? What do you want?
I mean like you.
I'm not drunk.
Yes, you
Get
are.
away.
No.
Oh, oh, honey. Let's go party. Peace.